Hi, this is Jackie with Soluzio. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the GIMP, the GNU image manipulation program for resizing or condensing images. I have a picture on my desktop. You can see as I pull it over on the screen that it's more than 1 MB in size. It's 1.2 megabytes. And so our goal is to go ahead and reduce that and condense it down. What I didn't check out is this image is also 3600 by, what does it say? 2398. And we really like the quality of this image. We just can't really have it taking up that much size on the website. So I'm going to click and drag it right into this screen and it'll open in my canvas. I can convert or keep the color profile. I usually leave it as is. Actually, maybe it varies from time to time. And that has done now, as you can see on, it expanded my window to match that screen size. So I'm going to go ahead and hold my mouse over it. I'm going to hold the control key and I have a scroll button on my mouse so I can scroll and zoom out on this image and then bring my window back to where we can actually see a little more of what's going on here. The goal for my images, we've set the dimensions for this image to be 754 by 400. And then the other part of it is that I guess you can double that as long as we keep that ratio. So if I make it double, it's going to be 1508 by 800. And that should still help keep it at a large style. I'm going to go to image. I'm going to click on scale image. Here I can make my dimensions. If I change one dimension, it should change the other dimension to match. So that's also telling me that maybe this picture, as long as your pictures are all the same size or same ratio, they should all appear to look the same size on your site. I'm going to go ahead and give this a shot and see what kind of compression we can do with this image. I will usually compress my pixels per square inch down to 150. I think in this instance, I'll go ahead and just do 250 and see if that helps as well. And choose scale. So now as I hold the control key on my keyboard again and scroll my mouse in, I can zoom in. It's not quite as big, but I don't think we've lost the quality. The crop tool is over here in the upper left corner. And then maybe that's what I already have selected. Or rectangle select, cropping tool. There it goes. To save this image, if I were to choose to save, it would save it as a GIMP project, but to keep it a PNG or a JPEG, I'm going to go to File and Export As. I often will use Shift Control E a lot as well because that goes pretty fast. It's going to bring up another window on my screen asking me if I would just want to overwrite this image. I'm going to add a number at the end so I don't overwrite it. And finally, one more thing, it's asking me if I want to reduce the quality here on this screen as well. I'm going to go ahead and we're going to go down to 95 and export that. More often than not, where we change the DPI from 300 to 250 is that usually 72 DPI is sufficient for website publications. Print publications usually need something better than that. Now on my computer, I can see that that image is 1/10 of the file size. And I'm going to go ahead and plug it into the website and see how it compares. If you have any questions about how to use the GIMP, please ask. Thanks for watching. Take care and God bless.